Running a small business means doing everything: emails, customer messages, scheduling, marketing, admin work, and most of it is repetitive. Now imagine this. What if those tasks happened automatically? Leads get responses instantly. Appointments schedule themselves. Customers get answers without waiting. And your marketing runs in the background. That is exactly what AI automation can do. Today, small businesses are using simple no-code tools to automate hours of daily work. In this video, I'll show you 5 AI automations every small business should set up today. These are practical systems you can build without coding, and each one can save you hours every single week. Let's start with the first automation. Automation number 1, AI lead response system. The first automation solves one of the biggest problems in small business: slow lead response time. When someone fills out your contact form, timing matters. Studies show that leads are far more likely to convert if you respond within minutes. But most small businesses respond hours later, or even the next day. By then, the lead may already be gone. This is where an AI lead response system becomes powerful. Here's how it works. Step 1. A visitor fills out your website contact form. Step 2. The form submission triggers an automation. Step 3. The message is sent to an AI model. The AI analyzes the inquiry. Then it writes a personalized response. Step 4. The response is emailed instantly. Within seconds, the customer receives a professional reply. Not hours later, right away. The automation can also do more. It can add the lead to your CRM, tag the lead by category, schedule follow-ups, and notify your sales team. This ensures that every lead gets immediate attention. You never miss opportunities, and customers feel valued from the first interaction. For many small businesses, this automation alone can improve conversions significantly. Automation number 2, AI customer support assistant. Customer support takes a huge amount of time, answering the same questions again and again. Business hours are pricing, refund policies, product details. Most of these questions have simple answers, but they still require manual responses. An AI customer support assistant can handle many of these automatically. Here's how it works. First, you create a knowledge base. This could include FAQs, support articles, product information, policies. Next, you connect that knowledge base to an AI system. Now, when customers send messages, the AI reads the question, then it finds the answer from your knowledge base and replies automatically. This works across multiple channels: website chat, email, even messaging platforms. The result is faster support. Customers receive answers immediately, and your team only handles complex issues. Instead of responding to every message manually, you only step in when necessary. This saves time and improves customer experience because quick responses build trust. Automation number 3, AI appointment scheduling. Scheduling meetings sounds simple, but it often turns into a frustrating back and forth. Are you free Tuesday? No, how about Thursday? Maybe next week? This process wastes time for both sides. AI scheduling automation removes this friction. Here's how the system works. First, you connect your calendar. Next, you create a scheduling link. When someone wants to book a meeting, they click the link. They see available time slots. They choose the time that works for them. The meeting is automatically added to your calendar. But AI can go even further. AI can also send reminders, reschedule automatically, handle cancellations, answer scheduling questions. For example, if a client asks, "Can we move our meeting to next week?" the AI can check your calendar, suggest new times, and update the booking. All automatically. This eliminates scheduling headaches and keeps your calendar organized without manual effort. Automation number 4, AI email and follow-up automation. Email follow-ups are one of the most important business activities, but they're also one of the easiest things to forget. You meet a potential client. You promise to follow up. Days pass. The email never gets sent. AI follow-up automation solves this problem. Here's the process. When a new contact enters your system, an automation begins. The AI generates a personalized follow-up message. It references the conversation or the service the person requested. Then the email is sent automatically. You can also build sequences. For example, day 1, initial response. Day 3, helpful information or resources. Day 7, friendly check-in. Day 14, final follow-up. Each message can be written by AI, but personalized using the contact's details: name, company, previous conversation. This keeps communication consistent and ensures every lead receives proper follow-up without you remembering to send each message. The result? More conversations, more relationships, and more potential sales. Automation number 5, AI social media content automation. Marketing is essential for small businesses, but posting content regularly can be difficult. Writing posts, creating captions, scheduling content, responding to comments. This can quickly become overwhelming. AI content automation makes this process easier. Here is how it works. First, you define your content topics. For example, tips, industry insights, customer stories, promotions. Next, AI generates post ideas, then it writes the captions. The content can be scheduled automatically across multiple platforms, for example, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, X. Some systems can even analyze performance. They track engagement, identify what content works best, and suggest improvements. This allows small businesses to maintain a consistent online presence. Without spending hours writing posts every week, your marketing continues running in the background, even while you focus on other parts of the business. Putting it all together. Now imagine combining these 5 automations. Your AI systems can handle lead responses, customer support, appointment scheduling, follow-ups, and marketing content, all running automatically. Instead of juggling every task yourself, your systems do the work. This gives you something extremely valuable: time. Time to focus on strategy, growth, and serving customers at a higher level. Automation doesn't remove the human element. It removes the repetitive work, the tasks that slow you down. And the earlier you implement these systems, the bigger the advantage. Because automation compounds. The more workflows you automate, the more efficient your business becomes. Getting started with AI automation. You don't need to build everything at once. Start simple. Choose one task, one repetitive process, automate it, then add another and another. Over time, you'll build a network of systems that support your business, working quietly in the background, saving hours every week. The goal is not to remove humans. The goal is to remove unnecessary friction, so your business can run smoother and grow faster. The bigger shift happening right now. We are entering a new era of business operations. In the past, growth meant hiring more staff. More employees meant higher costs. But today, small businesses can scale differently. They can scale with automation systems and AI workflows. This allows small teams to operate with incredible efficiency, and businesses that adopt these tools early will have a significant advantage because they can move faster, serve customers better, and focus on high-impact work. Call to action. If you want to learn more about AI automation, business workflows, and practical tools that help small businesses grow, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Here we break down real systems, simple strategies, and powerful AI tools you can start using today. And before you go, I have a quick question. Which of these automations would help your business the most right now? Lead response, customer support, scheduling, follow-ups, or marketing content? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.